Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to play with the NYX Cosmetics Mochi collection. This came out at the beginning of the month and it is such a fun, colorful collection, and the eyeshadows and the highlighters have such a cool texture to them. They have more of a squishy kind of cream powder texture. They're squishy, that's pretty much the best way to describe it, but they are great eyeshadows and highlighters, and I wanted to create a look using some of these products, plus new products that NYX recently came out with. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off with NYX Matte Eyeshadow in the color Blame It On Midnight, and I love using this as a transition color. I'm using this color from the Perfect Filter palette. It's like a mid-tone brown, and I'm just sweeping this back and forth in my crease to give more shape to my lid. I'm going to use this warm matte brown, and this is going to start to create some depth on my lid. I'm going to play with the new Love You So Mochi Electric Pastels eyeshadow palette, and I recommend using a glitter primer before you apply these shadows. It really brings out the pigmentation of these colors. The first color I'm going to use is this kind of bronzy, orangey shadow, and it works best by applying it with your fingers, and I'm just patting this on my lower half of my lid. I'm packing on some of the glitter primer again to prep for this kind of salmony pink shadow that I'm using next, and this will give a little bit of a glow to the center of my lid and give me kind of this glossy look to my lids. Now I'm going to give my lashes a little curl and prep with the House of Lashes Lash Curler. This is the new Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. It has a really cool brush, and it's going to make your lashes look darker, fuller, and longer. Next, to add some length and volume to my lashes, I'm also going to stack on the Time Los Angeles Ghost Lashes. I'm going to move on to my complexion and use the brand new primer from NYX. This is the Total Control Drop Primer, and this is going to give your complexion more of a matte finish, and it just preps your skin before the foundation. Now I'm going to take the Total Control Drop Foundation. I like to use the color Medium Olive and just spread this all over my face, and then I like to use this paddle brush from Crown just to blend everything out. I'm just brightening up under my eyes with my favorite concealer from Pixi and then blending everything out. If you want to see my complexion routine, I will have a link above that you can check out. To give my complexion more of a satin matte finish, I'm going to set it with the No Filter Finishing Powder. I'm going to finish up my eye area, and I'm taking the glitter primer again and just sweeping this under my lower lashes where I'm going to place shadow. Now I'm taking this shimmery fuchsia pink color, which is one of my favorites in the palette, and I'm just going to blend this underneath my eye. I realize it's easier just to use a pencil brush to really intensify that shadow and sweep it underneath the lower lashes. I wanted to use a hot pink liner in my waterline, so this is actually a lip pencil. Only apply this if you feel comfortable wearing it, and this really tied the look together for me. Then I'm just applying the Worth the Hype mascara to my lower lashes, and I love using the tip of the wand to really separate and define them. Going back into the Love You So Mochi palette, and I'm using this light pink shimmery shade and applying this to the inner corners of my eyes to really help brighten up and add a pop of color to the look. I'm going to add some color to my complexion by using a bronzer to my temples, hollows of my cheeks, and underneath my jaw. Now I'm going in with Sculpt Contour color from NYX, and I'm just going to apply this in the hollows of my cheeks for definition. I'm going in with the Love You So Mochi highlighting palette in the color Lit Life, and these are so gorgeous. I'm going to start off with this lavender shade and this new holographic brush and sweep this on the highest points of my cheeks, on my temples, anywhere where I want this beautiful lavender highlight. I'm going to layer the champagne colored highlighter on top, and I'm actually going to use my finger. This is going to give more of a brighter, intense glow, and I'm popping this on the highest points of my face, and I love how layering these two colors gives you kind of a multi-dimensional highlighting look. Now I'm going to line my lips with this kind of chocolatey brown slide-on glide-on lip pencil just to give more shape and definition to my lips. And I'm just going to blend out the edges with my finger because I don't want them to be too dark. I wanted to keep my lips pretty neutral, so I'm using the Tease lip oil from NYX, and then I'm going to pop in this Duo Chromatic shimmery lip gloss. It's so pretty on top of this brown. You can see hints of pink and purple. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial using some new products from the Mochi collection and new products that NYX recently launched. There is another palette from the collection that I have not used, so if you want me to create a look using this palette, then let me know down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.